It's common that many couples succeed in running a business together. The close relationship, shared goals and unwavering support they have often makes entrepreneurship a natural fit. In today's Successful Fijian, we spoke to Elaine Chand, a wife and owner of the best roti shop at My FNPF Place in Suva. Apanisa Wangairandovu reports.
The Best Roti Shop opened its first outlet in Suva in 2009 after years of struggle.
We started from the scratch since we are hailing from a middle class family. We have been through each and every struggle a middle class person goes through.
The couple worked at various other places while shaping their future.
We learned our experience through working in hardware companies, retail businesses, sales. We weren't much of a high-profile people.
Chand, after successfully running this restaurant, they opened another branch in Losori to support other relatives.
Then again, maybe a sister company that side to help more families, involve more family people, support more of them.
Looking back now, Chand dedicates her success to years of hard work.
We wouldn't have known that we could do it. That if the struggle wouldn't have been there, we wouldn't have known that this is our quality to strive for the success.
The mother of two believes customers and family played a huge role in running a business.
Running a business, a food business, doesn't need you to have a rocket science degree. The values, how you speak to the customers, how you understand the customers, sometimes you have to go down your level to understand the customers' needs. And that's the main, how you're going to be getting the actual dollar of your investment returned back.
Chand says while things were difficult in the beginning, she is now able to manage her time well between her business and her two young children. Apanisa Wangairandovu, FBC News.